I'm going to tell you in this video why being a signing agent is the easiest way to make a lot of money. Here's why. And this is the perfect place to be doing this video because this cage is the perfect analogy for what I'm about to teach you. See, what you understand is this cage here, make sure the balls do not come out from the basketball court. Where is that analogy working into this video? See, we know where every single one of our clients are. They're at escrow offices, they're in banks, they're in open houses. If you walk into an open house, a realtor has to listen to your pitch. It's the proverbial cage, they cannot leave. What other business like this exists? If you're trying to buy a car today, you'd walk inside the car lot, the car salesman would approach you, and the moment you didn't like what that car salesman said, you would walk right off the lot. He would or she would have to chase you to go have you listen to him. Our clients, your potential clients, have to listen to your pitch. We know where every single one of our clients are. Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, banks are open, escrow offices are open, real estate attorneys are open, law offices are open, title offices are open. So we know where every single potential client is. Number two is once you target them and go in and talk to them, they can't leave until they hear the value that you want to portray to them. Just like this court here, the cage is the best analogy because they're in a proverbial cage. They have to listen to you. The balls can't go anywhere. So my question to you is, how many people are you targeting? How many potential clients, how many escrow offices, title offices, realtors, open houses are you going to? Because remember, when you go in there and tell them how great you are, they have to listen to the duration of your pitch. There are very few businesses in America that can say that. So go out, build the business, make sure you communicate what you can do to help add value to their business, and you will grow this business in any market possible. Hit like, save this video, comment below if you have any questions, and follow this channel to get more tips and tricks just like this.